So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to slay a closure to make it look like a frontal. So I'll be showing you guys with easy steps and also with one of my favorite products. So I'll be using the Bold Hold Active Glue and the Bold Hold Skin Protect to do this installation. If this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to slay a closure to make it look more like a frontal. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, like some of my other videos and watch them. And also don't forget to share them with your friends and turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, let's dive into our way here. Starting up, I'll be prepping her skin. So I used alcohol to clean her skin. Sorry guys, I didn't put that in this video, I did that off cam. Then secondly, I went on with my Bold Hold Skin Protect to prep her skin, and after that I went on with the Bold Hold Active Adhesive. So I did my first layer and allowed to clear. Then secondly, I went on again with my Bold Hold Active. Then I did the application 3 times and allowed it to clear. Then I went on with my Got To Be spray on my edge control brush and used it on the hair. Then after that, I'm going to use my elastic band as in the video. So I went on with my wax stick, and after that I used my hot comb. So this hot comb is from Glit & Shell. I'll be leaving a description below if you want to order. It's really hot. Then after that, I went on with coiling the hair. Sorry guys, I didn't put that in this video. Also, I'll be doing a full detailed video on how to curl this particular pattern, but I'll be leaving a video where I did curling up here so you guys can go watch and learn how to curl a hair. So I'll be using my FREDA hold spray to set the hair. You can also use any type of hold spray. Hi guys, thanks for joining me once again. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like some of my other videos and share them. Watch them also, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So if you're new here in this family, I want to say a big thank you. All my existing subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Are really amazing. Thanks for the love. I am really great. Is there anything you want to see here on my channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comment box below. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.